Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting features of the Fireboltt SNAPP, a smartwatch that's packed with innovation and functionality. First up, the Fireboltt SNAPP boasts a 2.13-inch HD AMOLED display with a resolution of 410 x 500 pixels. This means you get vibrant, crisp visuals, even in direct sunlight, thanks to its impressive 600 nits brightness. Plus, it has an always-on display, so you can glance at the time or notifications without having to wake the watch. In terms of design, the Snap features two functional buttons that allow for easy navigation through its various features. It also supports cloud-based watch faces, giving you the flexibility to customize your watch according to your style or mood. Under the hood, the Snap is powered by a quad-core Cortex CPU and a Mali GPU, ensuring smooth performance. It runs on Android OS, and you have access to the Google Play Store for downloading a wide range of apps. With 2 GB or 4 GB of RAM and storage options of 16 GB or 64 GB, you'll have ample space for your apps and media. Health and fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the Fireboltt Health Suite, which includes heart rate monitoring and compatibility with various fitness apps from the Play Store. The watch is also IP67 rated, meaning it's resistant to both water and dust, making it durable for daily wear. One of the standout features is the HD camera, which adds an extra layer of functionality. The battery life is equally impressive, with a 1000 mAh capacity that offers up to 30 days of standby time, or up to 15 days with regular calling. The Fireboltt SNAPP is available in a variety of colors, including Alpine Olive, Archaic Black, Black Storm, Cherry Blush, Cocoa Brown, Jet Black Looks, and Marlet Maroon. Pricing starts at Rs. $5,999 for the 2GB plus 16GB variant and goes up to Rs. $6,499 for the 4GB plus 64GB variant. That's a wrap on the Fireboltt SNAPP. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.